Hello! Today I'm going to show you a very interesting property just outside the castle walls of a beautiful little castle outside Marsciano in the hills south of Perugia. Okay, so we're right outside, here we are, and we enter the garden of this lovely house that has been, well, it was a very old house. It has been torn down and rebuilt completely in 1969. It has a garden of about 1,000 square meters with several terraces. There's a beautiful terrace over there. There is a lane here. There is another terrace up here towards the top of the house, and there is more behind the house itself. And this area here, where the sun terrace is with all the flowers, is the most beautiful place of the property, really. You can see the wonderful views from here. It's a bit variable weather, sunny and some clouds, as you can see, but it's still beautiful. This landscape is the typical Umbrian landscape that everybody is looking for. So they have this terrace down here with a little shed, some more flowers over there, and then behind the hedge, that olive grove belongs to someone else. So you don't have a lot of land to maintain. They have 3 olive trees and flowers and everything. So lots of fruit trees. So it's enough to work on and cater for if you like gardening. Okay, so here we enter the house. I'll show it. This is the terrace, the portico below and the terrace up there. And I'll show you first. We'll go inside. Here is another terrace on this side. Here with some steps going out, and from there you can also enter the little village again. Okay, so you are really on the verge of the medieval village. Okay, here we enter a dining room with a fireplace, very nice old style property. Here is the kitchen. Very cozy little kitchen. The kitchen will stay, of course. And fireplace is nice. And then here we enter what used to be the official entrance with these large doors here. And they turned it into a nice window, and they can close the doors, of course, but they don't use it for entering the property anymore. So here are the stairs. There is a bathroom and a wardrobe here. A bathroom with a shower over here. Okay. The house has heating, central heating on gas. And they have also fireplaces. Here is a small study below the stairs. Okay. It has a bit of an old-fashioned and medieval style. This area is more recent. They turned it into a sitting room, and it used to be a garage, really. And behind it here, there are storage areas and stuff for the water. There is enough water. They have mains water, also water sweetener, and here is a laundry laundry room and storage room. Okay, so lots of room and handy places to store things. So this is a nice nice room also for sitting out and sitting and looking outside to the beautiful landscape outside. Oops. Okay, now from here we go to the first floor, which actually is the ground floor on the level of the castle. Okay. So this is the living room, a large living room with a beautiful feature fireplace which comes from a monastery in Assisi, they told me. And so a nice large sitting room with a door to the outside from which you can go into the living into the village. Okay, here is the terrace. I'll show you the terrace later. First we go to the area where the bedrooms are. There are 3 bedrooms. This is one, a small one, and here you can see this is the little area behind the castle, in the castle. And this is the main bedroom, very big. There is a bathroom with a shower, and this is the 3rd bedroom with views onto the garden, and that is the heating system. See, you can see a little bit into the village itself over there. And this is the lower part of their garden and views over there. Okay, so the house is about 220 maybe square meters large. I have to check, so bear with me for that. And I'll give you more information on the website. Here is the terrace up on the top. A beautiful area to sit in the sunshine, in the shade, whenever you want. So it's a great place, very quiet. As you can hear, there are no noises. It's very quiet. You are in about 20 minutes from the village where all the services and the shopping centers are. And if you want more information, go to our website, www.lecasedidori.com. Okay, bye-bye.